Drinkie Smart Dispenser that rinses your pet's bowl for you. All you have to do is to fill the freshwater tank and set the Smart app with just a few clicks. The Pulse system will automatically fill the dish with clean and fresh water. It will rinse the dish as many times as you set, moving stray whiskers, food particles into a separate airtight tank, far from your picky fluff ball. This way, Drinkie provides clean water to your pet all day long, from a self-clean dish with no need for filters that can cause secondary pollution and harm your pet. And the cool part? Drinkie can monitor your pet's drinking habits to prevent potential disease. By inputting the health parameters of your pet into the app, the Smart system will calculate the optimum water intake of your pet and monitor your pet's drinking habit in real time. If your pet's drinking habit is different from its usual, the Smart system will take measure to attract your pet to drink. With the Smart app, you can not only get notified when the water level in the dispenser is low and check out the dispenser status. The dispenser's also pretty easy to clean. Once the wastewater tank is full, take it out, along with the clean water tank and dish. Rinse them underwater and fill the water again. You're on vacation or a business trip? No probs. Drinkie will supply your fur friend with clean water for 5 days. Made from 100% safe BPA-free materials. Drinkie is the best gift for your pet and yourself.